This is another Feather Family video, and today we're just gonna play some servers. I'm just gonna choose. Wait, I don't really like sparrows, so I'm gonna show you my OCs, guys. So this still P-foul. Why not? Congo, why not? Now, what we just do, click on saves, then, look, this is the first OC I ever made. It's called, so it's actually named, let's see. And the OC is actually like a Dovaki Hawk, a Dovaki Orc. So this isn't actually the bird's eyes. Her name is Tangerine. An old fledgling that is Tangerine was bullied by the other old fledglings. And then the second OC is Paradise Petal. Inspiration from the Paradise Petal Flower IRL. Second OC I made. And he's male. And the final OC is Pinecone, a little kiwi that was abandoned by its mom early on, age 3. Anyways, just gonna play some Feather Family. By the way, I've been recently seeing weird things in Feather Family. I'm gonna show you. Look. And let's just look at the servers. Well, man, the thing, and also the thing that I am a little bit concerned about is I've been hearing these noises in these rocks over here. It's kind of like a humming noise, and it's basically just like a soft humming noise. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, it's like a soft humming noise. But when I go deeper, it becomes less soft and more harder. So I don't know what's that about. Is there a new bird, a new Easter egg, or just a new update? I don't know. Please tell me, guys. And anyways, bye.